Here's some business advice that's blindingly obvious once you know it. Having some sort of social media calendar, a social media content calendar, is a big, fat waste of time. At this time of year, everyone seems to set aside time to pull together a social media content calendar, trying to predict what content they are going to produce and distribute in any given day, in any given week, in any given month throughout the year. Why is it such a big fat waste of time? It just doesn't work. It feels good, it feels productive, it feels like you're making progress, but no one sticks to their content calendar. No one. Not even the agencies stick to the content calendar with rigor and discipline and do all the things that they're supposed to do. And that is because the world changes, the universe changes, your business changes all the time. And this is a good thing. Change is good. So if a content calendar is a big fat waste of your time, just got to wait for this car to go past so I don't get run over. If a content calendar is a big fat waste of your time, what should you do instead? Well, what we like to do is we have content rhythms. A content rhythm is a structure that you follow. It's a rhythm to help you produce content throughout any given week, throughout any given month that is consistent with your commercial goals and will not overwhelm you. It makes content creation just that little bit more pleasurable. Here's the structure. Here's what we do. Monday, bust a myth. Tuesday, give a gift. Wednesday, tell a story. Thursday, reveal a tactic. Friday, call to action. And that's how we run our emails. That's how we run posts on our Facebook group. That's how we run videos on TikTok, on LinkedIn, and all these other places. Monday, bust a myth. Tuesday, give a gift. Wednesday, tell a story. Thursday, reveal a tactic. Friday, call to action. Now, here's the secret sauce. You need a theme for each of those weeks. So don't set up a content calendar. Come up with 6 themes. 6 themes that you could talk about again and again and again. So for example, start with 3 big headaches that your customers and clients have, and then come up with 2 themes per headache. So for example, if a headache in our world is not enough leads, we might have 2 or 3 themes to do with not enough leads, and one of those is creating content. And then I have my theme, and I can bust a myth, give a gift, tell a story, reveal a tactic, and then have a call to action. And what's really cool about this particular structure is that while I'm producing a lot of content, it's extremely helpful content, and the sell to give ratio is much greater. It's 4 gifts for 1 sell, but the reality is every single one of the 5 in the series, I am selling something. I'm selling my expertise and I'm building an audience. Monday, bust a myth. Tuesday, give a gift. Wednesday, tell a story. Could be your story, a story about one of your clients. Thursday, reveal a tactic. Friday, call to action.